back to my channel, Vanessa, for those of you who are new. If you hear a little sound, it's the plastic. I am surrounded by plastic, just trying to guard our home from all of this dust. We're back to construction talk. On today's video, I want to share with you guys some updates that have been going on this project. Woo! Has it been a tough couple of weeks, guys? Not easy, not easy. We've come across a lot of obstacles. Finished installing all of the windows of the house. Installed the picture windows all along the entrance of the house, a total of 5 big huge windows, and then the front door. Finally, we can come in through a front door. That's so exciting. It's exciting. I'll explain in the video, but you'll see where they knocked down a big chunk of the wall to be able to make room for the other French doors. Total of 3 other ones that need to get installed. Let's check it out. Officially 2 windows installed, 3 more to go. What you are seeing now is that the guy cut out the pieces of the wall that need to be taken out so that we can completely demo it and then put in some French doors. So 4 French doors, 3 French doors to be installed, but that's basically the breakdown. And I look fabulous. The stucco looks relatively dry. It's been a little rainy, so. Then just to give you an idea, this is what it looks like now that the windowsills are finished. A layer of stucco. One of the tips that I have is make sure that you cover everything. Try to cover as much as you possibly can because the dust has no mercy. You will be up to here in dust for like months, and even if you cover everything. So let me just show you what I did. This is how I covered pretty much everything. We're gonna get rid of the, oh, I need to cover this. Cover it, cover it. It's basically a roll of plastic, and this is what we've been using throughout the construction. They do have different weights on the plastic, so if you want to cover something lightly, you can get a lighter one, or if you want to make like a big curtain or something like that, then they have different weights. Please don't be lazy, cover your stuff. And there you have it, guys. I did not want to go into so much detail on all of the obstacles that we've been going through, but we did choose a tile for the house. I'll be showing you guys that later on. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions or comments, you know where to leave them. I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye! We failed on an inspection. No! We have 3. Woo! I cannot talk today.